Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to stop taskbar and desktop keeps constantly refreshing problem in Windows 11, 10. Type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Windows Error Reporting Service, change Startup Type Disabled, click Stop the service, click Apply, click OK. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type SFC /scano. Type DISM /online cleanup -image /restore health. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.